Good morning! So I feel like it's been a while, but we are back at my studio today and we've got another big makeover to show you guys. I've got a very special client coming in all the way from Washington State, so I'm gonna let him introduce himself and then we'll get started. Go for it.
Alright, my name is Nick Barnes and I'm from Washington, and this is my second go around with dreads. So about 10 years ago I had dreads, and it was like a lifelong goal of mine to have dreads. When I was a little kid, I had seen like National Geographic, magazines and stuff with people that had stretched ears and plates in their mouths and all this stuff, and I just thought it was the coolest thing ever, and I thought someday I'm going to do that. And then as I got older, I met the first person that had dreads and I fell in love. So I knew I was going to do it. But the alternative to all this is I've been a fabrication welder worker my entire life. So once I had dreads, the reality set in of all of the work, all of the dirty environment, everything that basically made them miserable to have. And I lasted almost 2 years and then cut them off, sadly. But I said, if I ever go to a different job or a desk job or something, I do it again. So here I am. 2 years ago, I switched jobs and doing it. So originally when I got dreads, a buddy of mine that always cuts my hair, he kind of talked me into doing it. He's like, you need to do this, you need to do this. So I went out, I pursued it. So then fast forward, the second time around we're talking about doing it, I had just randomly come across one of Liz's videos hiking on the AT, and outdoors is one of my big passions and stuff. And I saw this and I was like, wow, she's pretty awesome. She's got an awesome set of dreads. Halfway through the series, oh wow, she actually does dreadlocks, for a profession. So then talking to my buddy about it, and I was showing him the videos, he's like, you need to fly to her. I was like, no, you're crazy. And then he's like, no, you should do it. You need to find a professional, you should do it. So I flew, and here I am. Done. Really happy with the whole experience, everything. After having them once, I kind of knew what I was getting into, but again, it's a totally different experience all at the same time, and I'm just really happy with it, and it's a good place. It's really good.